Hey guys, I'm here with another review. This is Smirnoff Screwdriver. Smirnoff is vodka that's made in Illinois. I took and did one a few days ago on pink lemonade. It was pretty decent actually. I've had 2 or 3 Smirnoffs. The first one I did was a red, white, and berry, and I know I did pink lemonade. I can't remember if I did another one. But honestly, they're not that bad. They're actually pretty decent drinks, honestly. This one here, I got a feeling I will really like this. People that know me know I like citrus. Anything citrus, I pretty much 99 times out of 100 would like. Very rare do I not like a citrus drink. But yeah, this is like a pint, so. But I think it will be very, very interesting to see how this is. I believe that's right. But yeah, I think it'll be very interesting. Considering I like citrus, Smirnoff I've kind of like a little bit. So I do think I will like this. But yeah, let's take and see how this is. Not bad. Right off the bat, I just took a sip of it, and I can already tell it's not that bad at all. Okay, a good taste of citrus, along with some alcohol. I can taste alcohol, but a good, how would I say it? A good strong flavor of citrus as well. That ain't bad. That's a pretty good combination. Good orange flavor, by the way. It since it has alcohol in it, to me, of course it does, but still, to me, it kind of tastes like a sour type orange, which is perfect for me. I like sour. I also like oranges. So that's a perfect combination to me. But that's kind of what it tastes like in this case. Not bad. I'll tell you, any Smirnoff you all see, if you anybody that likes Smirnoff or wants to try Smirnoff, I'd recommend any of them that you find. The pink lemonade, red wine berry, the screwdriver. I would recommend either one. Now, personally, I'm not much on straight vodka. Kind of like Barton, Grey Goose. I'm not much on straight vodka at all. I know I did a review of Barton one time. I didn't really care for it. The flavored ones, the flavored vodkas like this, mostly the Smirnoffs, I've come to like. At first, I really didn't know if I would like these. The first one I tried was red wine and berry. Before that, I tried 2 different types of vodka. I did not really care for either one of them. I didn't exactly hate it, but I didn't care for it. Some I would not drink by choice if I got other options. Now, with these, since there's flavor in them, I definitely like them. Yeah, very, very, very decent. Decent drink, decent taste. I've not really had a complaint on Smirnoffs whatsoever. And honestly, for the price, they're about, let me do the math a minute. About $3.17, $3.16 a can. For a 23.5 ounce can, well, pint I should say, that's pretty decent. That's a decent price, honestly, for a pint. And honestly, I could drink these, not regularly. I don't normally drink regularly at all. Just doing it really today because I was off, and I thought I might as well do a review on this. But I would definitely pay $3.17 or something like that for something like this once in a while. This is more like, to me, this is one of them drinks, kind of like what I do with Jack Daniels. You can sit on the back porch with your buddies, or take and watch TV. You can take and enjoy these. That's kind of, to me, that's what it's kind of for. Or, like I said, sit on the back porch with your buddies, have a talk. That's what it kind of puts me as. Yeah, that is not bad. That is really, really good. Yeah, no doubt. I will definitely enjoy the rest of this. This is one of, next to Jack Daniels. Like I said, that's my drink of choice. Next to Jack Daniels, this is probably one of the best drinks I've had. That's really good. Almost, it's even better than the red, white, and berry one. And I do like the red, white, and berry one, no doubt. But this one's better than that. But yeah, that is Smirnoff Screwdriver. I'll do more reviews, random videos, and lives as I can. So watch out for them. And put in the comments some lives that you would like me to try to do. I'll take and read them and probably do them sometime. So watch out for them. And I'll take and see you all in.